Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to add quizzes to your Teachable course to test your students' knowledge? Let me show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, go to your course curriculum tab. Find the lecture where you want to add the quiz and click Add Content. Select Quiz from the drop-down menu. This creates a new quiz block inside your lecture. Now start adding questions. Click Add Question and choose your question type. Teachable supports multiple choice, true/false, and open-ended questions. For multiple choice questions, write your question text, then add the answer options. Click the check mark next to the correct answer. You can also add an explanation that students will see after answering. This helps them learn from their mistakes. Here's a key setting. Decide if this quiz is graded or ungraded. Click the gear icon on your quiz block. Toggle record grades for this quiz on if you want scores tracked in your reports. If grading is on, set a passing score. Students below this score may need to retake the quiz depending on your course compliance settings. You can also limit the number of attempts. Click the gear icon and set the maximum attempts allowed. This prevents students from guessing endlessly. Once your quiz is ready, click Save. Your quiz is now live in the course. After students take the quiz, you can view their scores. Go to the Course Reports tab and select Quiz Scores. Here you'll see average scores, min and max scores, and total completions. You can also export the full student list as a CSV file for deeper analysis. And that's it. Quizzes help you engage students and track their understanding of your material. If you add a quiz to your course, let me know what topic you're testing in the comments. See you in the next one.